typed A in the chat. Let's see if A is correct. So, like I said, there's two approaches to doing this question. The first thing you could do is to work out the area of the whole rectangle and then half that into that. It then says that the top is measuring 4, which is corresponding. Pick up the shape. Class, it's just a bug. It's not a recording, okay, guys? So you guys, the last thing to do, because we're not yet, is to add up these two areas, and that will give us the total area. So hopefully this is quick maths for you guys. 48, then one of its sides, okay? So the diagram here, don't refer to this in terms of the specific shape we're looking at. It's just giving us a general breakdown as to what a cube. Remember, I'll just write it out over here. So the volume of, I mean, technically it's any rectangular prism, okay? Okay, just because my chat is still a little buggy, while you guys, we should have 15 meters squared for the area of the rectangle, right, guys? Okay, so hopefully everyone's got that. Now, what about the area of the square? Who knows the area of but you can assume that the shape is going to be, or the object is going to be a rectangular prism, okay? So I can just draw this up again, because again, we don't have a 50,000 aquarium tank. So I want you guys all to try this one. I know the multiplication might be a little bit tricky, but do your best to take up an area of 25 square meters. So the remaining area is just going to equal 108 meters squared. Subtract the amount the tree takes up, which is two wrong numbers. 108 minus 25. And if you look at the ones, it's just 8 minus 93 meters. It's just the length minus 0.93. And it also tells us that the height, actually, I'm going to use a different color so it's nice and clear that we're dealing with 7 meters. Okay. So actually, ignore the decimal places. And this is, I guess, places, especially numbers that are less than 1. Actually, ignore the decimal places. And this. So the decimal point should actually go 2 times like this, and so that's why the decimal point is over here. So hopefully you guys have kind of through. So first 7 times 8, what's that going by? That is going to be 0. So now we add all the numbers. Piece, cuboidal shape. So they've just told us what the shape of their eye. Draw my little lines indicating that we are dealing. It wouldn't be a rectangle. It wouldn't be a rectangular prism, you know. Piece of ice. Oh, maybe it's not that massive, but it feels pretty big. So 106. And the dimensions of it are 4 by 3 meters. So what area of the floor will not be covered by the carpet? It doesn't mean that you've gotten the answer wrong. Okay, it's kind of like a psychological thing. I know usually. Okay, people are pretty quick to answering this question. Check, make sure that the answer is correct. And dimensions of a house. So sometimes if you're looking at a property, they'll provide you like with a floor plan.